Hi, I'm Charlie Carrington from Atlas Dining and we're here at the amazing Balgownie Estate. We've been enjoying the Yarra Valley, tasting some beautiful wines and of course cooking with some great local produce. So today I'm going to make the S&B mild golden curry and we're serving it with some potato, onion, carrot and some chicken. So we're going to get that slowly cooking as well as some rice. But I've got one missing ingredient and that is David Mann, the man about town.
Sorry. Oh, Charlie. Oh, hey. I was just having a nap, mate. Oh, my goodness. Oh.
Are you ready for some lunch?
Yeah, I'm tired. Tired. We've been travelling a lot, so yeah, I'm ready for some lunch, but I hope I look respectable.
Yes.
That is so comfortable. That is, tonight you're in the bunk, I'm in the double bed. Right.
Done. To get this golden curry started, so what we're going to do is just dice up this chicken and we start by searing that off.
And just excuse me if I yawn. This is deep sleep.
Oh, absolutely. So this dish here is something I've made, plenty of times. It's super fresh and delicious. So you can pick up some of this S&B Golden Curry at, all, major supermarkets, Asian stores, anywhere that you sort of do your shopping.
I Googled these. Guess what?
What?
1923 they started.
Really?
Authentic Japanese. Comes from Japan, golden curry, Japanese curry mix. I love finding out about things.
Oh, good. Well, there we are.
Yeah,
so
and that's about the only thing I can do is Google.
It's about 100 years old this year, so that's good.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Happy birthday, centenarians.
Next, we're just going to chop up all the vegetables. So obviously I can use the same chopping board. So that chicken will just cook away. Then we're going to add in the onion pieces, the potato and the carrot. Add in some water, add in the curry, and just let it cook. It's maybe the world's easiest curry to make, this one, but it's so delicious, and you certainly won't go without any flavour in this one.
And a reminder, we're just showing that in my market kitchen, travelling around Australia, that we can cook just as well on the road as you can in a commercial kitchen. Here we have the little outdoor kitchen. We're not in the big Atlas kitchen, and it really is a pleasant day, although slip, slop, slap, because look, I got burnt.
Yeah, I'm burnt as well.
That's not blood pressure, that's suntan.
So now we've given that a good sear. I'm just going to pour the water over and add the rest of the stuff in. All right, so now it's time to check the curry. So as long as the potatoes are cooked and the chicken, of course, we'll be ready to go. So, yep, knife goes straight through that. That's perfect. So, David, are you asleep again? Have you woken up?
Pardon?
Oh, you're up, are you? Come out, we're ready to have lunch.
Give me a break. I've been driving and you've been sort of relaxing. I've got to be careful, just...
So, now this is the magic ingredient, the S&B curry block, the mild one.
Will it get me sort of up and going?
Up and going. So that goes in now.
It's very comfortable in my supreme territory, the big double bed there, and I really did enjoy the nap, but what I enjoy as much as travelling is eating beautiful food.
Absolutely. So we've got this amazing chicken curry now, so it's just a matter of melting that block of S&B curry. So it's an ingredient that you'll be able to find this basically anywhere. It's a really, really tasty curry.
Golden curry.
Smell that.
Golden.
Smells delicious, doesn't it? And see, it slightly thickens it as well, which I think is really the key point for this dish. So I just sort of want to stir that around.
It's healthy for you. It's all good.
Yeah, absolutely. Just fresh
Can I stir?
Please do.
I like to.
So I've got the guys up at the Balgownie kitchen to cook us some rice. So I'm just going to put that straight onto the plate, like so.
I feel like I'm being useful if I stir.
Spread that out. And then once that's thickened to my liking, I can have a little taste and we will be ready to serve. So
and all the viewers to My Market Kitchen, they ask the question, they say, David, do you really eat the food that Charlie cooks? And I go, yes, I do. Hand on heart, it is something that I enjoy eating, tasting.
And there's no coriander in it for you, so I know you'll be happy.
See what happens when you say the word coriander? I'm not a great coriander person.
So it's just very simple, this one. Something you can sort of make and even, have it bubbling away on the stove, come back and it's basically ready. You stir that mix through, thickens nicely. So it's got obviously a fair bit of starch in there, which gives it that beautiful thickness. Yes. And see, it just coats the chicken, of course.
And you know what is ready? The Balgownie Chardonnay is in the fridge chilling for you because it's your favourite drop.
Oh yeah, the Balgownie Chardonnay is absolutely fantastic. Go perfectly with this, of course. So simple, but so delicious and something I know the whole family will love.
And I couldn't wait for the taste test. I'm sampling just to check it's okay.
And how is it, all right? Better than all right?
I'm not going back to sleep, I'm going to eat.
Excellent.